All right, day 3. We're going ice fishing.
Oh boy.
Bundle up, bundle up. All right, so we're gonna walk out onto the ice very, very carefully. Sometimes they have the spikes on the bottom of the shoe. Normally for ice fishing, they have like these little tiny huts that you would go in, still very cold. And then you would sit down, get comfortable, make a little hole in the ground, right? Pull that ice up, and then we're gonna fish through a little hole.
That's right.
Okay, so let's make our fishing hole first. All right, so first things that we should do is dump out our fish. We should have some magnets, and we are just going to flip them all over so that we put the magnets on the plain side. And then, let's see. Let's see. Trying to make it so that they all fit. So I might cut him just a little bit. I'm a little heavy-handed when I cut some of these. All right, and then you're just gonna pull the white piece off and stick it onto the back, okay? So stick it on, press it real good, and then you can put it in the bowl. AKA, it's gonna be our fishing hole. All right, so let me get this paper off. Come on. Of course, this one has 2. Have you been ice fishing?
I have not.
Have you been fishing?
I have been fishing before, but not ice fishing.
I know some people who do it. I just, no, thanks.
No, I'm more
I'm
a
good.
warm weather girl.
Me
so,
too.
Yeah, I'll stay inside with the hot chocolate. Thank you very much.
I think the fish are fresher there, though.
That's true.
Like they're cold.
That's true.
They're
Fair
probably
point.
better tasting.
And of course, you eat fish, Miss Chrissy, right?
All right. What?
You eat fish, right?
I do.
Yeah. See, I don't. I'm not a fish person, so I'm kind of just out. Like,
I don't eat a lot of fish, but I do like salmon and mahi. Mahi more than salmon,
yeah,
but like tilapia and cod and all, I don't care for.
not your thing.
Not my thing.
Yeah.
All right. Almost done here. So we can play our game. Maybe. Goodness gracious, come off. Okay. All right, push it on there real good.
All right, last one.
Last one. All right. Come on, come on. All right, there. Last one. All right, once you have them all in your bowl or your fishing hole, we are going to take our glue and we are gonna load it up right around the rim. Okay. To get back to the beginning. And then we're gonna just put our ice on top. Super cute. All right, so push it down. Make sure it dries. You might have to wait a minute before you actually start playing the game so that you don't break your ice.
Yeah.
But Miss Chrissy's just gonna go ahead and get started. All right, you should have a little fishing rod as well. The magnet is stuck right back here, so you just have to kind of pop it out and unwind it. Okay. Okay. All right. Then you have your board. If you look at it, it has slabs of ice and then numbers beside it. So our goal is to see if we can catch a fish. Oh my goodness. All right.
Lucky break, Miss Chrissy.
I know. Okay. So what number did I find?
You found number 2.
So now we have to match it up with our slab of ice.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not in order, so you got to think.
Not in order. So these look similar. So we're gonna put it there. All right. Let's see what I get next. All right.
You got fish number 3 this time.
All right, so find it. Okay, keeping it cold on ice.
That's right.
Oh, little one.
Ooh, that's number 6.
Number 6. All right. Okay. I love this game. I'm having so much fun. Just saying.
That is number 4.
Number 4.
Okay.
All right.
Just a couple left. Let's see if we can get them.
Man. All right. Oh, I got the big one.
Oh, yeah.
Number
1.
All right. Woo. That's a big one. All right. Where you at? Okay. Number
5.
Number 5. Very cool. All right. You can use your dry erase marker, please. And you can trace the numbers. You can write the numbers beside it. Don't forget that this can also be written like this.
Mm-hmm.
If you cannot write the numbers, what are you supposed to do?
Draw the dots.
Draw the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So you can do that for all of them. Let's see. It's helping me this way. I can see them. All right. Sometimes you have the fancy one. Sometimes you just have the one. And even like on ours. Boom. Okay. Let's see. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 2. 1, 2. Okay. So just another way to work on your counting skills, your writing numbers. Use your dry erase marker for that. All right, you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go fishing one more time. So put them back in. Let them be free for a moment.
Swim around, swim around. Yup.
Turn your board over because we're not going to do numbers this time. All right, this time when you get them, you're going to put them in order yourself. Okay, so there's no cheating. Oh, man, I almost had 2. I have 2.
Whoa!
I got a double. All right, so I have 1. So we know that's probably gonna go at the top. I happen to get 2 with it. 3 comes next, right?
Yep.
Okay. Ooh, slow down, slow down. Am I close? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, did I get 2 again?
You did.
Okay. Let's see. We got 3. We got 4. We got 6.
One's missing.
Wow, which one's missing?
We need number 5. Let's see if we can get him.
All right. So 5. So what happened when I put these in order? Do you notice anything, Miss Rachel?
You can see that it goes from biggest to smallest.
There you go. All right. So next time, and I'm not going to do this with you because you can keep playing, but mix them up again, put them back in your bowl, fish them back out, and then put them in order from smallest to largest. Okay? So just something else you can work on. And once you have them on there, you have all the space that you can practice writing your numbers or drawing. Okay? When you are ready, you can also fish 2 out. Okay? Let's say that I got 2. Let's give me a little bit harder one. I should have been using my pole, but let's say that I went fishing twice and I got 1. And we're going to put a big plus sign right there. Okay? And remember, that plus sign means to add them together. All right? So if I got 1 and then I have 6 and I have this plus sign, that means I'm going to add them all together to see how many I have. So if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And again, if you can't draw the number yet, or write the number, draw the dots. All right? So just another way to play. I wouldn't recommend subtraction at this point, just because you don't have enough numbers to work with. Okay? All right, when you are done, put everything back in your bowl. Wrap up your fishing rod. Okay, just like this. You just kind of hold it, and twist 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 it. And then you just stick this little magnet, you just push it right in there. Okay? And that way it doesn't get all tangled when you put it away to use it on a rainy day. All right, so put everything back in after you erase it and put it away. That's all I got. See you tomorrow.